y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got the random urge to try to tint my eyebrows. So yeah, I don't really have what people be using, which is the men's, just for men's hair color. I don't have that, but I do have this. There we go. This is the Clairol, whatever how you say it, root touch up gel thingy. Looks like this when you open it. And I use this on my clients' hair time to time. It's just like hair color, so we're gonna use that instead. Let me look for my eyebrow brush because that's what we're gonna use. My eyebrow brush is dirty. Go figure. Go figure. We're gonna clean these two. We're gonna use these two. We're gonna clean them up, make them nice and juicy. I ain't gonna do nothing but clean these. I'll do this off camera though. Okay, so I cleaned these off as well as I possibly could. There we go. So yeah, I cleaned them off. See how this one still has some brow dip on the edge? Don't fucking mind that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let me go my hair down. Just ordered me the big pack of goodies because y'all, I have not had a hair tie for like 2 weeks and I have been struggling, especially when I get in the shower. I'm gonna do a bun. Let's throw it up with the bun. Oh my god, this is remarkable. Okay, boom, hair is up. Now let's get into these eyebrows. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put it on how I would do my eyebrows if I was to draw them on. I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's just try it. I'm gonna use the back of my hand because I want to. It's just me. All that. Oh, please don't drip. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Look at the top of it. I'm gonna look into this mirror while I'm doing it. I really wish I had better lighting because then I would have did it like this so y'all could see, but I don't, so I can't. But yeah. See, put that right there like that. Can y'all see that? And then add a little bit more right here. See that? Now, for this part, I'm gonna like take it and I'm gonna flick it up just a little. Y'all see what I did? That's what I just did. So, we're gonna do this side. And I'm literally just pretending like I'm drawing my eyebrows on and praying that it works out in the end, you know? Make sure they look somewhat symmetrical. But eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Okay, now I'm gonna do this part. Not gonna go up too much. Y'all see the little spot? I'm gonna wipe that up though. Now we're gonna do the front. Barely want anything on my brush. Flick out of wrist. Flick it. Okay. Do these look symmetrical? I feel like I need to round this up just a little bit. Right there. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a timer on for 5 minutes. And I might get scared and take it off at 2, to be honest, because it's already been on this one for a little bit longer. Now, I'm probably gonna take the front off at 2 minutes and I'll let y'all know how it looks, and I'm gonna wash this off because ooh, look at this mess. Ooh, and this bad boy stains, y'all. It stains. I'm taking it off like now. I'm taking the front off now. Look. Okay, taking off the front because I'm scared. Oh my god. That shit is one there. Hold on. The big old line of demarcation. And let's take off this one. Well, this one ain't really been on there that long. I'm gonna leave this one on a little bit longer. I be thinking of the most random things to do. And I don't know why I thought about doing this, but I said, you know what? My eyebrows are looking real raggedy lately. I'm gonna tint my eyebrows. And Audrey gonna do what Audrey wanna do. Ooh, they so dark though. Ouch. Fuck. But yeah. Oh, I was supposed to take it off. So that one now says 2 something. Let's take it off. Let's take it off. Let's take it off. This is what it looks like since I took the front off. I don't know what it's giving yet, but we're gonna. Leave it to me. Be right back. Why does it look a little red? It look a little red. Okay. It's not giving I just tinted my eyebrows. Is it giving I just tinted my eyebrows? Look. That's not giving. So how about we do this one more time? And we're gonna actually leave it on this time, and I'm gonna be when I stop being so scared. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 12 minutes. I know it's a weird time, but I'm gonna leave it for 12 minutes and I'm gonna come back. Boom. So I will see y'all in 12 minutes. Hey friend. You like my eyebrows?
They're really dark. Like, really dark.
You're hurting my feelings.
No, this is the other one.
Trying to get. I got scared last time and took it off too early, so I'm trying to make sure that I'm not gonna do it while you're there. Yeah, that's what I did. Boom. See, top gone. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. See, there we go. Took the top off. I'm back, y'all. I just told that Chipotle from the front to the back, to the back, to the back. Oh, it's that time of the month. Use paper towel. All right, y'all. What's going on? This time. Okay. This is giving me the vision. This is definitely giving a way better view of what I was looking for. Not too light, not too dark. Let's check this side. This side don't never want to agree. You know? Everybody got that good eyebrow and everybody got that bad eye. But this side don't never want to agree. But they actually look good to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line them up real quickly and see what they look like. Let's come in and just really look at these eyebrows. Y'all feeling them? Okay. So yeah, thank y'all very much for tuning in. This is what the eyebrows are giving. I actually like it, and I think I'm gonna start doing this more often. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. New videos coming, period.